Did you know that your dishwasher might be making your dishes dirtier? It sounds surprising, but many homeowners unknowingly contribute to this problem. One common issue is improper loading techniques. If you cram too many dishes in, water can't circulate properly, leaving food particles behind. Another culprit is a clogged filter. Regularly cleaning your dishwasher's filter is essential for optimal performance. If it's blocked, dirty water can recirculate, making your dishes look worse than before. Lastly, using the wrong detergent can lead to residue buildup. Always check that you're using a detergent designed for your specific dishwasher model. By addressing these issues, you can ensure your dishwasher works efficiently and leaves your dishes sparkling clean. So, take a moment to check your loading techniques, clean that filter, and use the right detergent. Share this with a friend who needs to check their dishwasher.